In this video, I'll be bringing you a major vehicle launch that was locally assembled and presented to the people of Ghana, being described as very affordable, with affordability being its key selling point to the people of Ghana and aiming to spread to the African market for further global growth. Ghana's automotive sector and the local car manufacturing industry has an ambitious vision to produce vehicles locally here in Ghana, which is now expanding, with various vehicle launches just this year alone. This latest launch has vehicles locally assembled here in Ghana, boosting this vision. These vehicle launches are much welcomed as it breeds diversity within the industry and also breeds competition, not just relying on premium brands, and on the plus side, activating manufacturing in Ghana, which is very commendable. So stick to this video to the end as I break down this latest launch of cars in Ghana. Before we commence, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to this channel as I bring you developmental happenings always. Let's get right into this launch details. Ghana's automotive industry is experiencing a renaissance that is being led by a combination of well-thought-out investments and the entry of brands partnering with Ghana's automotive companies. Stallion Motors Ghana Limited launched Osan X7 Plus and Unique vehicles, with their manual transmission models being locally assembled in Ghana and automatic variants being fully imported. These two vehicles offers the Ghanaian market a wider range of options to choose from. Stallion Motors Ghana Limited is the official representative of the vehicle brand and the distributor of Shangan vehicles here in Ghana. The Stallion Motors Company handles local assembly, introduction and marketing of the Shangan models. Shangan, officially known as Shangan Automobile Company Limited, is a Chinese state-owned automotive manufacturer headquartered in Shanghai, China. It is one of China's big four automakers, which Stallion Group, the head company of Stallion Motors Ghana Limited, has partnered with, focusing on automobile sales, distributing and after-sales services to boost local production and sales in Ghana, making affordability their key hallmark. Ghana is transitioning from being primarily an importer of vehicles to fostering an ecosystem for local assembly and manufacturing. This shift would create jobs and position Ghana as a hub for automotive excellence in West Africa. The government of Ghana has launched an automotive development policy, which was introduced in 2019, offering incentives to manufacturers across the world and encouraging the production of vehicles tailored to the Ghanaian need. As a result, Stallion Motors Ghana Limited is partnering with brands like Shangan to assemble vehicles locally and also to invest in infrastructure, training and after-sales services, boosting Ghana's car manufacturing sector. One of the most striking aspects of the Stallion Motors offerings is its quote-unquote affordability. During the launch, senior sales consultant Melvin Osemensa shared a brilliant perspective on the pricing strategy for Unique and Osan X7 Plus. He highlighted that the vehicles are equipped with premium features typically found in cars priced at $50,000 and more on the global market. However, with Stallion Motors Shangan vehicles, it has managed to bring the vehicles to Ghana for under $35,000, a price point he said makes luxury and performance accessible to a wider audience. This pricing will allow Ghanaians to enjoy world-class vehicles without breaking the bank, he added. This remarkable value proposition is made possible through Shangan's investments through Stallion Motors Ghana Limited in local assembly and streamlined operations. By producing vehicles in Ghana, the company minimizes import duties and logistic costs, ensuring that savings are passed on to the consumers. Additionally, Stallion Motors is offering flexible financing options, making it easier for Ghanaians to purchase the cars through affordable monthly payments, setting a new standard for what consumers can expect from this latest vehicle launch. Ghana's automotive sector is however expanding, as a wide range of vehicles is being assembled and produced in Ghana, marking a pivotal moment in this journey, with one of China's top four automobile companies being assembled here in Ghana. With a commitment to quality and innovation, the Stallion Motors Ghana Limited will be leveraging Ghana's favorable economic conditions to make car ownership a reality for a broader segment of the population. The automotive sector's growth is not just about the numbers, it's about empowering Ghanaians with mobility, fostering economic independence, and building a legacy of industrial progress. From bustling cities like Accra to rural communities, the ripple effects of this expansion are transforming lives and driving the nation forward. At the heart of Stallion Motors' mission is the bold vision to make high-quality vehicles accessible to every Ghanaian. And depending on if Ghanaians like this vehicle and are able to pay for it, regardless of their profession or financial background, it will show if they succeeded or failed. But the local assembly of these vehicles are a win to the mission of Ghana. During the launch event in Accra, the deputy country head of Shangan Ghana, who is Ganesh Fadeo, shared the compelling insights that captured the essence of this moment. He emphasized that the current economic climate in Ghana presents an unprecedented opportunity for citizens to invest in new vehicles. With stable inflation, improved access to financing, and competitive pricing, owning a car has been made easier and not a distant dream as it was. It is an achievable reality for bankers, corporate executives, entrepreneurs, and everyday individuals alike. The vision of inclusivity is what has set this project apart. According to Stallion Ghana and their Shangan partners, it is going to improve Ghana's competitive automotive market. They stated that the commitment to affordability does not come at the expense of quality. The company has strategically positioned itself to offer vehicles that combine cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and fuel efficiency, all at the price point that challenges industry norms. By assembling the vehicles locally, Stallion Motors has reduced costs associated with importations, as I earlier stated, passing those savings directly to the consumers. This approach not only makes their vehicles more affordable, but also strengthens Ghana's economy by supporting the local labor and supply chain. The launch of Unique and Ocean X7 Plus is a shining example of how Ghanaian ingenuity is redefining value in the automotive industry, ensuring that Ghanaians are getting more for less, and companies like Stallion Motors Ghana Limited are changing the status quo with the unveiling of the Unique and Ocean X7 vehicles. These two models are designed with urban professionals and families in mind. Both of the vehicles combine modern aesthetics and practical features, making them ideal for navigating Ghana's bustling cities and scenic countrysides. The Unique, which is a sleek SUV, boasts advanced safety features, a spacious interior, and a fuel-efficient engine that ensures cost-effective travel. It has a bold design and state-of-the-art infotainment system, making it a favorite amongst the young professionals and tech-savvy drivers. Meanwhile, the Ocean X7 Plus offers versatility for families, with ample seating, advanced comfort, and durability suited for both daily commutes and long road trips. Both models are engineered to withstand Ghana's diverse road conditions, from smooth highways to rugged rural parts, ensuring reliability and performance in every journey. This is all very exciting as we are seeing the Ghanaian car manufacturing industry blossom. Stallion Motors, through their partnership with Shangan, is investing heavily in after-sales support, including service centers, spare parts availability, and technical training programs, which is all good news for the industry. It ensures that the customers enjoy a seamless ownership experience from purchase to maintenance, and by establishing a robust network of service centers across the country, this will be making it easier for Ghanaians to adopt to these new vehicles. The local assembly operations will be creating hundreds of jobs, from factory workers to sales professionals and technicians, and these opportunities will be improving lives as well as boosting the country's economy. Ghana's car manufacturing sector is on an upward trajectory, and Stallion Motors Ghana Limited is leading the charge with this partnership with the Chinese company Shangan. It is leading with an innovative approach and an unwavering dedication to its customers, especially due to the affordability margins they presented. The launch of the Unique and Ocean X7 Plus vehicles marks a significant milestone in this journey, offering Ghanaians the chance to own vehicles that combine style, performance, and value. Hopefully, the affordability scale will be beneficial to Ghanaians, professionals navigating the streets of Accra, or families exploring the beauty of Ghana's countryside will be able to purchase the Shangan vehicles. As we celebrate this exciting moment, especially for the Ghanaian car manufacturing sector, as these cars are locally assembled, we celebrate the exciting moment, looking forward to a future where Ghana's roads are filled with locally assembled vehicles as well as locally manufactured ones, driven by proud owners who are part of this automotive revolution. Make an effort to be part of Ghana's automotive sector. If you can, drop your thoughts on these locally manufactured cars, which are the Unique and Ocean X7 Plus, which was launched by Stallion Motors Ghana Limited. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video to spread the word about this incredible growth of Ghana's car manufacturing sector. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.